So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss how can we create a first Java class, what is the main method, and how can we print something on console using a Java program. So I'm using the Visual Studio Code as an IDE for Java development. Whenever you are going to create a first Java project in VS Code, the app.java is a class which gets automatically created for us. So here it is. So this app class is automatically created for us. So what are the different keywords being used in this class, and what is the main method, and what is this .out.println statement over here? So we'll go through each one of them one by one. So the very first thing is, let me execute this program before we understand the importance of each keyword. So here is hello world. So the text written over here got printed on console. So how it works, let's understand it in detail. Here is our first Java program. The first keyword used over here is public. So public is an access specifier. So access specifier means which specifies the visibility of your class, method, or your variables. So over here, the public keyword is being used in front of class first Java program. So which means this first Java program is applicable throughout this application or throughout this program. Which program? The first Java project. So if a class is a public, that is available for everyone throughout the application. So next one is class. Class is the one of the 48 keywords in Java. There are 48 keywords. Class is one of them, which is used to create a class in Java. It is that simple. So in future, whenever we are going to create a custom class, we'll use a keyword class. And first Java program over here, this is a class name, or I can say custom class name. So over here, the app is being created for us automatically by VS Code, and we can give any name. We can create any class and give any name to it. So that the name which a user gives to a class is known as the custom name. So this is how we can create the class in Java. Public class followed by the class name. So the next is main method. So in the main method, again, we are using the access specifier public, which specifies the main method is publicly available throughout these applications. So we have protected and private to other type of access specifiers. We will have a detailed session of on each one of them in our future sessions. So next is static. Static is very important and powerful keyword in Java, which is used for memory management as well. But over here, why are we using static? So, because we don't have to create the object of this class to call main method. Main method is automatically called by JVM, so we don't have to create the object of this class. In Java, being an object-oriented language, so whenever we are calling any method of a class, so firstly we have to create the object of that particular class, and using that object we can call all the method of that class. So how those methods are called, we will understand those in our oops session. So over here, static keyword is used so that we don't have to create an object of class. Which class? First Java program. First Java program. This first Java program to call main method. Okay. And the next is void. Void means our main method returns nothing. We have different return types, which is a kind of data types like int, string, float. But if a method is returning nothing, then we use void. Next is main. Main is the method name which is already defined or written in the Java API. We cannot change this name. So this is the name of the method. Name of the method. And string array is an argument that is being passed in our main method. So how can we pass an argument within a method, that we will discuss in our method session. So for the time being, this is an command line argument. So this is our main method, and main method is the entry point for our Java application, which means it defines on the starting point of our code execution. So next is System.out.println. System.out.println, this line is used to print any text in the console. So what is system, what is out, what is println? Let's see it in the code itself. So system is a inbuilt class which is already defined in Java library. If you go to the system, so this is a class. This is a huge class with multiple methods, and each method has its own significance. So most of them will be used in our future sessions, but for the time being, system is an inbuilt class. Next is out. Out is an object of type print stream. Let's see it. Go to out. So if you see this out over here, its type is print stream. Means out is an object of class of type print stream in class system.class. What is its importance? You can see in Java documentation itself. This is the standard output stream. This stream is already open and ready to accept output data. So next is our println. Println is also a method defined in class print stream, which accept as an parameter string as an parameter, and this parameter which println method accept over here gets printed on the console. This is the parameter this println method is accepting. So this is how we can create a first Java class. This is the main method, which is the entry point for our Java application. And system.out.println is the statement that is used to print the text on console. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much.